This video is about the exercise Coordination 1 from Pegada drum method Fundamentals to Intermediate. Why am I starting from Coordination 1? Let's say that you have already taught your student how to hold the sticks properly, how to name the drum kit parts and adjust the seat, the drums and the cymbals to suit them, how to hit the drum properly, how to use the pedals, how to play single stroke roll, which I will talk about in another video. If in your previous method it was time to start teaching how to play a drum beat, you might have noticed that some students struggle and feel frustrated. I've seen students quitting at this point, even when all I was trying to get them to play was that most basic drum beat, that I like to refer to as the Billie Jean drum beat. But the frustration is over. Before you try to teach them how to play a drum beat, there's a series of exercises you can teach that help them play many different simple grooves later and sound good. Your student has already learned how to play right left on the snare and has already done that for a couple of minutes. So now get them to hit the kick drum in a steady pace so they start to feel the kick pedal and get used to it. Now it's time to alternate kick drum and single strokes on the snare, 4 notes each, slowly and evenly spread. You will see their notion of timekeeping increasing even before you mention the use of a metronome. The next exercise is the same, but using the hi-hat foot instead of the kick drum. Most students will struggle a bit trying to use the left foot for the first time, but they already know what they have to do and how it's supposed to sound. Then move to exercise 3, when they alternate 2 notes, kick, kick, right, left. And finally, hat, hat, right, left. If your student told you that they never read music before, this is the perfect time to show them that they can read music already and how easy it is to read drum notation. Tell your student that you're teaching them the foundations and that getting better at these exercises will help with their coordination and also will help them sound better. In the next video, I'll talk about the flam and why I teach the flam in the first lesson if possible.